Hey there, South Florida. Morning meteorologist Julie Durda. It is going to be another hot, breezy day, but at least it won't be nearly as wet. So, potential tropical cyclone number 3 is spinning over the Gulf of Mexico, and I'm happy to tell you it's continuing to spin further west. The further west it goes, the further the rain goes to the west of us, meaning that we won't see those showers and storms like yesterday. We had that band of rain that was wrapping around this low. It started at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning and didn't end until about 12 in the afternoon. So we will see that chance of showers only isolated today, not because of the influence of the tropical moisture in the Gulf. And by the way, today's the last official full day of spring. Enjoy it. Summer showers will be back into the forecast by tomorrow. Highs today will be reaching the upper 80s, near 90 degrees, because we're expecting more sunshine and drier conditions. But we can't rule out that chance of a stray shower. Remember, it is that typical sea breeze pattern that will have in place. In the tropics, the two areas we're watching, latest on potential tropical cyclone 3, winds at 40 miles per hour. We'll be making a beeline to possibly Texas into Louisiana. So Louisiana has tropical storm warning and watches in effect along the coastline, including parts of Texas. Unfortunately, it looks as though they could deal with tropical storm force winds and rain. And Tropical Storm Brett has done some damage over the Windward Islands, but now moving away, will stay in the Caribbean and possibly diminish by the middle and the end of the week. Have a great day.